Well, no doubt about it, it is much colder today as that cold front swept through yesterday evening. You can see current temperatures across the nation. We have 63 in Bangor, Maine. You wouldn't expect temperatures to be that warm that far north, and you contrast that with areas that you would expect to be warm, like Dallas, Texas, sitting at 24 degrees. So again, we have this Arctic air mass that has dove in across the plain states, now sweeping east, kind of just oozing its way into Ohio today, with our temperature currently sitting into the middle 20s. If we take a look at the watches and warnings map here, we do see some winter weather alerts on the map, some winter storm warnings sitting down here over parts of the Arklatex, down towards parts of the Ozarks and Missouri, even parts of western Kentucky and western and southwest Illinois. We'll likely see some advisories expanded east here, as we are tracking some wintry precipitation that we'll be tracking to the north and east from tonight into tomorrow. I do think we'll see some winter weather advisories across our areas. We will see some impactful wintry weather, but we're not talking about a major storm coming in. But it will certainly impact your travel plans, especially later on in the day Thursday. We'll have the chance late tonight for a few snow showers. It'll be mainly for areas to the south of Lima late tonight, early tomorrow. Here's 4 a.m. We do see just a few isolated snow showers. And we see a little bit more of that by 6 a.m. So especially if you're traveling south towards the Dayton area tomorrow morning, we could see some slick travel there with a light amount of snowfall. We do see those snow showers, especially south of US 30 through 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we'll get a break, and then we'll see our next main wave come in as we go into later tomorrow. So for a good part of the area, we really won't see much wintry weather until late in the day on Thursday after 4 p.m. This will be a burst of snow along with a burst of some sleet and a little bit of freezing rain as it comes in. This is going to be just in time for the evening commute, so just keep this in mind. Travel will become slick across the area Thursday evening, and you notice the pink showing up. The models have been shifting this just a little further north as far as the mixing is concerned, so we could see a little bit less snow in Lima because of that mixing issue for us. And you can see the precipitation continues into early Friday, but by 6 a.m. starting to taper quite a bit across the area. So here's the map. Not a lot of changes, but based on the data, I think we're probably more in line of about 1 to 2 inches of snow right in the Lima area. North still in that 2 to 4 inch potential where we see less of that mixing. And then down to the south, a little more concerned about freezing rain. We could see up to 2/10 of an inch of ice. Areas like Sydney, perhaps even as far north as Wapakoneta to around Kenton. Going to be watching this ice closely. Again, we'll keep you updated on the trends with this system as we do get a little bit closer. You see our forecasting model showing some of that icing creeping as far north as US 30. Looking at your 7-day forecast, you can see those temperatures, of course, staying quite chilly as we go from the end of the week into the weekend, but we do start to see a bit of a rebound and some quieter days as we head through next week.